Good day to you. In this video I'm going to teach you on how to construct a quadratic equation from a given root, that is construction of quadratic equation from a given roots using the formula here: x squared minus the sum plus the product equals to 0. So we are going to solve this example. By doing so, I think you understand it better. So let's go by solving the example. Let's pick the example 1, that is, we want to find the equation that gives us these roots, the quadratic equation that gives us the roots as its roots as -2 and 3. So let's start by that. The first one is what is first one is -2. The roots are what? The roots are -2 and what? And 3. So here is the formula. In the formula we have x squared minus sum plus what? Plus product equals to what? Equals to 0. So this is so simple. Just pick the two roots, sum them, that is sum equals to what? -2 plus what? Plus 3, which is equals to what? Is equals to 1. Formula here is having x here, so this formula here too is having x, sorry. So this is the sum. So now the product is just that multiply the two roots together again. We have -2 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 3, and this is equals to what? This is equals to 6. So just input it in what? In this. We have our quadratic equation of what? X squared minus the sum. What is the sum? Is the sum here minus the sum using this formula, that is sum plus what? Product equals to what? Equals to 0. So we have x squared minus what? Minus 1, which is our sum here. Our sum here is 1 plus what? Plus what? Plus product. Our product is what? Is -6 equals 0. So we have it as what? So we have it as x squared minus x, open bracket with this, and minus what? 6, that is plus times minus. So this is -6. So that is the quadratic equation for this root. For this root is the quadratic equation. If you solve this, you are going to have this. So the second one here is the second one is 2, that is 2. We have the second equation as what? 3 and what? And 1. Do the same, just find your sum. Your sum is what? 3 plus 1, which is what? Which is what? 4. Then the product is what? Take it times 1, which is what? Which is 3. So using the formula x squared minus sum x plus what? Plus what? Plus product equals to what? Equals 0. So we have it as x squared minus your sum. Your sum is what? 4 x, and your product plus your product here 3 equals what? Equals 0. That is your product. So you have it as x squared minus 4x plus what? Plus 3 equals 0. So if you solve for this, you have this, you have this. So if you solve for this, this is the root of this equation. So the third one, sorry. The third one is we have a quadratic root, which is what? Which is a complex number. This is a complex number 4 plus 2. So since it is possible for us in a quadratic equation to have a complex number, so it is possible for us again to do what? To construct such roots back to what? Back to the equation. So let's start. In a given constructing equation like this is a complex number where we have the real and the imaginary part having I here. While our j in some textbook they call it jy, here I call it I, is what? Is root of what? -1. So here the roots are what? The roots are 4. Just split out this one. 4 plus 2i and what? And 4 minus 2i. So this is your root, your first root, and this is your second root. So sum. See, sum this one together. Sum, that is 4 plus 2i plus what? Plus 4 minus 2i, which is the same thing as just open brackets, the same thing like this. 4 plus, you sum the imaginary parts together and you do what? You sum the you sum the real part together and you sum the imaginary part together too. So this is what? 4 plus 4 is 8. Then this plus what? Plus this, that is what? That is 0, because we are having what? Plus 2i here, and plus times minus is what? Minus, that is 2i minus 2i, which is 0. Then product is just 4 plus 2i, then multiply it again, 4 minus 2i. So here be very careful, the product here, just sum the product here, sum the two. So be very careful in summing this complex number. You have what? Just expand in a normal way. 4 multiplied by this will give us what? 4 multiplied by 4 will be what? 16. Then minus what? Minus 8i plus 1 plus 8i. Then plus times minus will be minus. Put it like this. Then 2 times 2 will be what? 4. Then I times I, that is what? I, that is what? That is I what? I square. So your I square, since your I is root of 1, your I square will be what? Minus 1. So here you are having as what? Minus 4. Since I times I is what? Is minus 1, so 4 times minus 4 is what? Is also minus 4 times, this is a minus times plus will give us this. So 2 times 2 will give us this, and the minus times minus will give us this. So here we are having this, as this one has cancelled out this. So this one is 16 plus what? Plus 4, which is equals to what? 16 plus 4 is equals to what? 20. So this is your sum now, and this is your what? This is your product. So just put it in the formula which we said, x squared minus sum x plus what? Plus product plus 0. So here we have x squared minus, what is my sum? My sum is what? Is 8. It is 8 x plus my product. My product is what? Is 20 equals what? Equals 0. So I'm having it as a equation as well. I mean the equation as x squared minus 8x plus what? Plus 20, and that is my equation for what? For this two. So if you are given a complex rule, just follow this single step and you arrive at your final answer here. So you can try that for any type of quadratic rule given to you. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.